Welcome back to Midtown. We had a chance to host our friends over at Project NuType. We handed out a ton of free Gundam kits. It was 20% off on all Gundam items store-wide. Gundam has been around for 4 decades with millions of fans. It's no wonder that we had an awesome turnout. So who do we have here?
Fiorella.
And Tim?
We're trying to bring in people to, if you are a beginner, if you have not heard of Gundam before, this is a great opportunity to get your free kit, get into the hobby, and hopefully join us in building even more kits that we have here at Midtown.
And right here at Midtown Comics, they have an amazing selection of kits as well too, from master grade, first grade, real grade, high grade. So depending on what your skill level is or how big you want a kit, you can come by. There's even perfect grades in the back as well too. So definitely an amazing hobby to enjoy, and I hope more people stop by to pick them up and keep building. I am the founder of our company called Project NuType. What we're doing pretty much is we're bringing different Gundam events here in New York City. So we do a lot of build nights. There's a spot called Resobox down in the East Village that we host a monthly build night. We're expanding out to schools and doing different things like that. We give a lot of talks, and our relation to it is that around the world, Japan, Korea, Indonesia, a lot of the other countries, it's a huge art form. So not only is it a hobby, but it's also an art form as well too. And that's really what we're trying to expand it out to. There's the design toy fairs as well too, and this is really where we want to push it to show people that there's such a beauty in building something that comes out as plastic, but then at the end of the day you can create this amazing piece. So Bandai also does an amazing competition every year called GBWC, which is the Gundam Builders World Cup. The first place winner from multiple countries around the world, they get a free trip to Japan, and they compete for the golden RX-78 trophy at the end of the day. So there's so much to it, and that's what pretty much Project NuType wants to bring out there. So that's really what we're trying to show people that you can do, and other stuff like that. So come on out, have a good time, keep building.
Thanks for watching again, guys. Follow the link in the description to see how Kristen and Mario build a free Gundam kit.